Is your Vizio TV acting up, freezing, or stuck in a reboot loop? It is incredibly frustrating when your smart TV stops being smart and just won't behave. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to factory reset your Vizio TV using 10 different methods to get it back to factory settings right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you wipe the slate clean and get your entertainment back on track. A factory reset is the ultimate fix for deep software glitches, sluggish performance, or app crashes. Over time, cached data and update fragments can clutter your TV's memory. Resetting the system clears out all that junk and restores the original operating speed. Let's dive into the solutions. Step 1. Use the standard menu reset. Grab your remote and press the menu button. Navigate to System and then select Reset and Admin. Choose Reset to Factory Settings and enter your parent lock code, which is usually 0000. Step 2. Reset using the physical TV buttons. If you don't have a remote, find the buttons on the side or back of your TV. Press and hold the volume down and input buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds until a message appears on the screen. Step 3. Perform the button hold trigger. While holding volume down and input, a prompt will tell you to hold the input button specifically for 5 more seconds. Follow that prompt to initiate the full system wipe. Step 4. Use the Vizio mobile app. If your physical remote is broken, download the Vizio mobile app on your phone. Connect to your TV over your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and navigate to the System Reset menu from your phone screen. Step 5. Try the Service Menu Reset. On your remote, press the menu button and then enter the code 9999. This hidden menu sometimes allows for a deeper factory override if the standard menu is frozen. Step 6. Perform a power cycle reset. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds. This drains all residual power and can often unstick a frozen reset process. Step 7. Reset via the SmartCast home screen. If you can only access the app dashboard, go to the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, you can access the admin and reset options to start the wipe. Step 8. Use a universal remote. If you are locked out, a cheap universal remote programmed with Vizio code 10178 can often bypass a frozen interface to reach the reset menu. Step 9. Disconnect all HDMI devices. Sometimes, a faulty HDMI 2.1 cable can interfere with the boot process. Unplug all your consoles and soundbars before attempting the reset to ensure the internal software has 0 interruptions. Step 10. The USB firmware reset. If your TV won't turn on at all, you may need to download the factory firmware onto a USB drive from the Vizio website. Plug it into the back of the TV while it is off to force an emergency software overwrite. Here is a pro tip for Vizio owners. Before you do a full factory reset, try a soft power cycle first. It clears the cache without deleting your apps or login info. Only go for the full reset if the soft cycle doesn't fix your lag. If you face any difficulty with these reset steps, please leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this video helped you fix your TV, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your TV is fresh, fast, and ready for your next binge watch. I will see you in the next one.